Welcome to my channel. Printer orange light blinking? Here's the solution. Step 1. Check what the orange light means. An orange blinking light usually means your printer needs attention. It could be low paper, a paper jam, low ink, or another simple issue. Look at the printer display or manual if available. Step 2. Restart the printer. Turn off the printer and unplug it from the power outlet. Wait about 60 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. A simple restart often clears temporary errors. Step 3. Make sure there's paper. Open the paper tray and check that it's loaded correctly. Remove any damaged or curled sheets, then reload fresh paper and adjust the paper guides. Step 4. Clear any paper jams. Open all printer access doors and carefully remove any stuck paper. Pull the paper out slowly to avoid tearing it. Close all covers securely before turning the printer back on. Step 5. Check the ink or toner. A blinking orange light can appear when ink or toner is low or installed incorrectly. Replace empty cartridges and make sure each one clicks into place properly. Step 6. Close all printer covers. Check that the front cover, scanner lid, and paper tray are fully closed. Even a slightly open cover can trigger the orange warning light. Step 7. Look for error messages. If your printer has a screen, read the message carefully. It may tell you exactly what's wrong, such as a cartridge problem, paper jam, or connection issue. Step 8. Check the printer connection. Make sure the USB cable is secure or that the printer is connected to the correct Wi-Fi network. A poor connection can sometimes cause printer errors. Step 9. Update the printer software. Open your printer software on your computer and check for firmware or driver updates. Installing the latest updates can fix known bugs and improve printer performance. Step 10. Reset the printer. If the orange light keeps blinking after trying all the steps, perform a printer reset following your printer model's instructions. If you need a model-specific reset guide, leave a comment with your printer model, and I'll help you with the exact reset steps. Thanks for watching.